Hi there, and thank you for joining us for a celebration of World Hypnotism Day. How cool is that? Yes, World Hypnotism Day is a celebration on January 4th every year. This year, January 4th, 2021, we'll be teaching you the tip of the iceberg of the Help Out Protocol for pandemic problem solving. I'm Karen Hand. I'm a board certified hypnotist and author and trainer. And I'm joined by
Lynn Caputo. I'm also a hypnotist, trainer, and student yoga therapist, yoga meditation instructor.
she has a few other specialties too that she's going to share in the Help Out Protocol, like she's a specialist in essential oils. And we'll be using that along with other things for the Help Out Protocol. It's a mixed modality way to look at personal problem solving using mind magic and using your own abilities. You can do this. The Help Out Protocol involves, well, the H stands for hypnosis, where you can wrap your mind around the magic of change and how you can use self hypnosis to create change.
And the E is for energy. This came about because when I was recovering from COVID long haul, I had long fatigue.
The L is for lucidity. Brain fog is another thing that goes along with COVID recovery and for long haulers. But you know what? I haven't had COVID and I experience brain fog sometimes. So many of these things that occurred during isolation or occurred during the pandemic can be solved with the Help Out Protocol, whether you had COVID or you're just experiencing some of the symptoms of the pandemic.
That's right. And the P is for pain management. And pain management can be brought on just by the pandemic or by COVID symptoms too.
Or by life, right?
Yeah,
The
true.
O is for opening unconscious awareness. Um, Even regaining taste and smell. That's right. Ashley lost her taste and smell and used essential oils and the magic of the mind to recover and realign her mind and body.
Indeed. And the U is for unity. So bringing it all together, aligning our body, mind, spirit, and just getting that sense of connection.
And the T is for takeoff. That's a double meaning, right? Take off into your future with new solutions. And the other part of that takeoff element is something that happened during this pandemic for many of us. Some people call it the COVID 19. I experienced the COVID 20. And I'm ready now to take off those pounds as I take off into my brilliant future with solutions rather than problem thinking.
That's right.
The Help Out Protocol can help you and help you help others. Now, the Help Out Protocol is extensive. In this 1 hour World Hypnotism Day presentation, we'll teach you some actual techniques that you can use for yourself. If you go on to the full day Help Out Protocol workshop on May 24th, we'll teach you exactly how to work with yourself and others using mind magic. We will use the magic of hypnosis, NLP, EFT, essential oils, breath work, body alignment. Wait a minute, Ashley, we're going to be on Zoom. How are we going to do essential oils on Zoom?
But if you sign up in advance, you're going to be snail mailed some copies, some samples that I have for you. And if not, don't worry. We're going to use some household items, coffee,
And
cleaner.
that's for the full day workshop where you'll get the essential oils. For Monday, January 4th, we will be telling you all about how to use it. That's right, body work, and you'll have techniques that you can use immediately for yourself, for your family, for your clients. Join us January 4th for World Hypnotism Day. We celebrate World Hypnotism Day every year. This year, for you, hypnotists and the general public, join us for an hour at noon Central Time, or Ashley,
1 p.m. Eastern time for my Florida folks.
All along the Eastern Seaboard. So, you can join us from any place in the world, noon Central Time on Monday. And when you pre-register, you'll get a copy of the recording as well. So if you have to miss it at noon on Sunday, pre-register and we'll send you the recording anyway, even if you can't make it live. The tip of the iceberg on Monday, World Hypnotism Day, January 4th, for the Help Out Protocol. And if you want the full Monty, the Help Out Protocol will be a full day workshop on May 24th, and we'll give you all the details for that as well. Walk away on Monday with tools you can use and get some problem solving under your belt. We want to take you from problem to solution. To sign up, go to KarenHand.com. And then you have to put some hyphens in here, KarenHand.com. You can go to the events page and it'll take you to it, or you can go directly to it. KarenHand.com/world-hypnotism-day-2021. That'll take you right to the sign up page where you get all of the information and a recording of the event so that you can have it with you. We'll tell you all about the full day workshop while you're there. Join us January 4th.
What a great way to start off the new year, Karen.
Join us. It's free. January 4th, World Hypnotism Day. We look forward to seeing you there.